Welcome back. Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission is with us again this morning to show us another delicious salad in the month of May. And today is the Soy Delicious Chicken Tofu Salad. So this is an award-winning recipe. Talk to me a little bit about what we're making today.
Okay, it is a recipe. Each year we work with the Kansas State Fair and have a heart healthy recipe contest.
Oh, fantastic.
So this is just kind of a good reminder to tell everyone to start getting their recipes ready, because we'll be talking about how to enter. But this lady, I'll let you say who won.
It's Margaret Miller from Hutchinson, and she was the first place in the main dishes category on the Kansas State Fair. And so how about that?
Yes,
it's in for a treat this morning.
That's right. And she uses 3 different soy ingredients. We've got our edamame that we cooked in here, and then I'm going to add to that. And this, you can see that it's tofu, but it's been marinated.
Okay.
And so if you look for it in the grocery section,
so it's available.
It is.
Perfect.
And I found it, she's had it in cubes, but I found it in Topeka, where I actually cut it into pieces.
Wonderful.
I had 2 different choices for flavors, in that this is a teriyaki one, and then they also had another one, so a Mediterranean one. So you can see what's available in your store and use whatever you want.
Wonderful.
So we'll add that. And then this is what she called, and you knew what this was, didn't you?
Yes, tofurkey.
Yes, it is. And it is, again, a plant-based replacement for chicken. But like we talked about, for a vegetarian, this would be great because they would want that. But if you want to use leftover chicken that you roasted yourself,
or even a little bit of both, too.
Exactly, you could do that. And we talked in one of our other segments that most of the soybeans here in Kansas are used to feed livestock. So whether you use the tofurkey or you use chicken, you're still using a soy ingredient. And then we're going to add these vegetables. I've got sweet red bell pepper and cucumber that we'll add in.
Some nice color
in there. It is, isn't it? And then a little bit of onion. And you could use red onion. I'm using a sweet yellow onion there, but you could also use green onion if you want to, whichever you have. So we're going to mix this together, and while I'm mixing it, you have the dressing.
Right.
And this is a 1/2 cup of, she asked for salad dressing. But if you look on the label, whether you're using a salad dressing or you're using mayonnaise, one of the first ingredients is soybeans.
Yes. Wonderful.
And then to that, I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and you add a little bit of fresh lemon juice.
There we go.
Mix
that
that,
nice and dry.
and then that will be the basis for our salad. Good job. Look at you. You've mixed that all together. Yes. And what we would do now is put that in here. And then you might want to refrigerate it just a little bit, stir it all together, but you have a award-winning salad to have for this summer.
There we go. Well, wonderful. Thank you so much for being with us this morning, Charlene. Stick around. We'll be right back.